Here's how to swap an image in Google Slides in seconds. Select the photo on your slide first. I'm clicking the picture now and the blue selection box appears around it. Once it's selected, the toolbar changes. With the photo selected, right-click directly on it. The context menu opens. You can also click Replace Image on the top toolbar, but right-click is faster. Find Replace Image in the list. It has a small picture icon next to it. Click it and a source menu slides out with Computer, Web Search, Drive, Photos, and URL. With that source menu open, I use Computer when the file is already saved on my machine. Drive and Photos are the move when the replacement is already in Google storage. Web Search works, but I skip it when I'm in a hurry because you have to check the license on every result. Click Computer, the Upload from Computer option. Your file picker opens. Find the new picture and double-click it, or click it once and hit Open. The new photo drops into the exact same frame as the old one. That's the whole reason to use Replace Image instead of deleting and starting over. It keeps the size, position, crop, border, and shadow of the original, so your layout stays intact. If the old photo was cropped square, the new one lands as that same square. No redoing the layout. Now check the crop. If the new image is wider or taller than the old crop might be cutting off the wrong part. Double-click the photo to get the black crop handles. Drag a corner handle to pull the frame tighter or wider, then click outside the photo to apply the new crop. If the subject sits off-center, drag the image itself, not the black handle, to move it around behind the crop. Sometimes a new photo lands and the original crop just doesn't fit. I don't fight the corner handles for that. I click Reset Image in the toolbar to clear the crop. Then I click the crop tool again and start the frame from scratch. Drag the handles outward until the whole photo shows, then click outside to apply. Let's look at the new image. If it looks soft or blurry, don't drag a corner to make it bigger. You're just stretching a low-resolution file, and it gets worse. Hit Ctrl-Z if the swap was wrong, and the old photo comes right back. And if you use the URL option instead, click Replace Image again, then choose URL from the same menu. Paste a direct image link that ends in .png or .jpg. A Google Drive share link won't load in that box. If this saved you a minute, give the video a like, subscribe for more slide shortcuts, and leave a comment saying this was helpful. Comments are what push this to other people looking for the same thing.